Look at you. You made it back to another video. Congratulations. Entrepreneur sales, right? Hey, in this video, I want to talk about bookkeeping. I want you to imagine trying to drive your car with no dashboard, no speedometer, no fuel gauge, no warning lights, right? You might keep moving for a while, but eventually you're going to crash. And that's exactly how most businesses operate without proper bookkeeping. Look, bookkeeping isn't just recording transactions. It's creating the financial dashboard that tells a business owner exactly where they are, where they're going, and what decisions they need to make. So what I'm going to do today is explain what bookkeeping actually is, why it's so valuable, and why becoming a professional bookkeeper will completely change your career forever. So let's dive in. Go ahead, grab a pencil and paper. Module 1 is what I'll title this one, as always. Anything I teach worth thousands of dollars, giving it to you for free. All right, so absorb it. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the systematic process of recording, organizing, and maintaining every financial transaction inside of a business. Just think, every dollar comes out, comes in, every invoice, every payroll run, every credit card payment, every loan payment, every tax payment, and the list goes on and on and on. I mean, it's just every piece of financial activity getting categorized or organized, okay? Think of yourself as the financial historian of a business. Bookkeeping's simple. It's just reporting the data that happened from month to month. What happened last month to this month? That's all you're doing. Your job is to create an accurate financial story, and you have to look at it from this angle. If the story is wrong, the decisions become wrong. And essentially, that is bookkeeping, just reporting the past. Module 2, let's hop inside of it. Inside of Module 2, I'd like you to title it, Why Every Business Needs a Bookkeeper. Why every business needs a bookkeeper. Let me tell you why every business needs a bookkeeper. Because the owner wears dozens of hats. Sales, we've got marketing, hiring, operations, customer service, and very few of them enjoy accounting. Even fewer are good at it. That's where bookkeepers become indispensable, right? Without accurate books, business owners have no idea how much profit they're making, where they're wasting the money, where the leaks are coming and going, right? Which customers are most profitable, where they can afford to hire, if they have enough cash for payroll. I mean, my gosh, look at tax season, right? If they're prepared for tax season. So you have to understand, you're not selling bookkeeping, you're selling clarity, you're selling confidence, you're selling peace of mind. Let's go to Module 3, shift over, drop down. What does a professional bookkeeper actually do? Let's walk through a typical month. Okay, you connect bank accounts, download transactions, categorize income, categorize expenses, reconcile bank statements, match deposits, track invoices, record payroll. Well, I'll keep going if I want. Let me keep going. Monitor account receivable, monitor accounts payable, prepare monthly financial statements, communicate findings with your client. I could keep going, but I'm not. That's just the technical side, okay? The valuable side, you help business owners understand what the numbers actually mean. That's where the relationships are built, okay? Module 4. Entitle Module 4, the 3 financial statements every business runs on. Professional bookkeepers become experts in 3 reports, all right? The first one I'll cover is the profit and loss statement. This answers one question. Did the business make money in terms of revenue, expenses, net profit, okay? It's simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Then we have the balance sheet, okay? The balance sheet. This tells you what the business owns, what it owes, and how much equity remains. So we think of things like assets, liabilities, equity. It's the financial snapshot of the company. The cash flow statement. The cash flow statement. That's what we have next. For the cash flow statement, many profitable companies still go bankrupt. Write that down. Why though? Their cash flow sucks. Okay? A business can show profit and still run out of cash. Bookkeepers help owners understand the movement of money. And I like to say that cash is oxygen for a business. Write that down. Cash is oxygen for a business. All right, let's drop down to Module 5. So right now, a lot of people are getting all freaked out about bookkeeping. They'll say, it doesn't matter anymore. It does matter. It matters, okay? bookkeeping is more valuable than ever. Even though technology has changed bookkeeping, AI has changed bookkeeping, automation has changed bookkeeping, but here's what hasn't changed. Businesses still need someone who understands the numbers, software records, data. Professionals interpret it. Okay, QuickBooks can categorize transactions. It cannot replace judgment. It cannot build trust. It cannot explain financial performance. The more technology advances, the more valuable, knowledgeable professionals become. All right, so at the end of the day, the AI doesn't have gut. It doesn't have tuition. It doesn't understand the nuances of your professional relationship, the dynamics with the business owner, the things that are going on in their life. So it will never replace a person. Honestly, I just like to think about QuickBooks and the hysteria around QuickBooks when that first came out. Like, people thought bookkeepers were gonna basically be tossed to the side, and I'd like to say, look how that's played out, right? In fact, a lot of business owners have tanked because of that. So I would say technology is a tool. It's not something to get freaked out about. Let's go to Module 6, why businesses pay monthly. Why businesses pay monthly. So monthly, one of the greatest advantages of bookkeeping is that it's reoccurring revenue. Businesses don't need bookkeeping once, they need it every single month. Every month, transactions happen, payroll happens, expenses happen, sales happen, financial reports need updated. Okay? That means clients often stay for years. Instead of constantly chasing new work, professional bookkeepers build reoccurring monthly income. 10 clients paying $600 per month, that's $6,000 every month. 20 clients, $12,000 per month. The business model is incredibly attractive, okay? And it's easy, and you can do it remotely. Module 7, why this career is so flexible. Well, bookkeeping can be done anywhere, virtually anywhere, right? Your home office, a coffee shop, another state, even another country. You're not limited to your local town anymore. Cloud accounting software allows professionals to serve businesses nationwide. Many bookkeepers enjoy flexible schedules while creating meaningful income. All right? Drop down to Module 8. What you'll learn inside Universal Accounting's Professional Bookkeeper program. Well, our Professional Bookkeeper program was designed to take someone from beginner to confident bookkeeping professional. Inside the program, you'll learn financial accounting fundamentals, how bookkeeping systems work, general ledger management, chart of accounts, journal entries, bank reconciliations, financial reporting, payroll fundamentals, QuickBooks Online, client communication, business workflows, industry best practices. You'll also receive practical training designed around real-world bookkeeping situations, not just theory. The goal isn't simply to help you understand bookkeeping. The goal is to prepare you to actually perform bookkeeping professionally with confidence, okay? Now, let's go to Module 9. By the way, the program's for everyone. And Module 9 is, who's the program for? This program is perfect if you're looking for a career change, you want remote work opportunities, you want to earn professional skills without spending years in college, you want reoccurring monthly income, you eventually want to own your own bookkeeping business, or guys, maybe you're already working in the accounting business or industry and you want to just strengthen your skill set and strengthen your foundation. I'd say no matter your background, bookkeeping is one of the most transferable business skills that you can develop. Let's drop down to Module 10 called the Big Picture. Guys, the big picture is this, and here's what many people miss. Bookkeeping isn't the destination, it's often the beginning. Many professionals start with bookkeeping, then add payroll, then add tax preparation, then add advisory services, eventually build full accounting firms. Bookkeeping opens the door, everything else builds on top of it. It's the foundation of an incredible career. Every successful business depends on accurate financial information. Behind that information is a skilled bookkeeper. You're not just organizing transactions, you're helping entrepreneurs make better decisions, you're helping businesses grow, you're helping families create financial stability, and that's meaningful work. If you've been looking for a career path that's in demand, can be done remotely, provides reoccurring income, and offers tremendous long-term opportunity, professional bookkeeping is one of the best places to start. If you'd like to learn more about Universal Accounting's Professional Bookkeeping program, check out the link in the description. Hey, if you found value in this video, subscribe to the channel because every week we teach accounting professionals how to build better careers, grow their firms, and serve more clients. Hey, I'll see you in the next video. One thing I'd like to say is, this wasn't a sales video, but As always, keep winning at the highest level. We'll see you in the next one.